Hello, today I'm working on the Radiolarian. This is the distribution box, so that is electrical, computers, etc. go inside this box. Problem is the old Hasp that was here is broken. So I've taken a new Hasp that we made and digitized it in there so I could get this pattern, and then came up with this little plate that will hold the Hasp in. It'll fit in like that. Added the ship name to that, and then we're over here about to cut. We have now engraved the outside edge with the name of the ship. We're about to cut that panel out. Let me restart that. Reset that to 0. And we are ready to start the next process. Now cutting the holes to mount the Hasp, and then I put 4 holes in the corner for the bolts to mount to the steamer trunk itself. And now I've cut out that whole part. There we go. And here's the plate cut out. That's going to mount right there. Nice and rusty piece of metal to match, and the bolt hole pattern that I did using the scanner works perfectly. So that piece is just going to mount like that. Blends in perfectly with everything else. Now to mount it. And here's the final product when I'm finished. A little bit of gilding wax on there, a little bronze, some brown, and it doesn't look totally authentic, but quite a nice little job for, I don't know, hour of work. It should do. And this is what that's going to run. We'll have more details on that later. Goodbye.